Hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial for those of us who do not understand social media very well and so don't know how to get on Instagram. If you are on a tablet or phone, you will have Instagram as an app and it will look like the one that says Instagram. I haven't figured out how to make a pointer on this. So you open your app. And I was logged out, so let's log back in. Probably most of you connected through Facebook. If not, you can just put in your password, put in your username and your password, and then log in. What I'm going to do is log in with Facebook because that's very easy. Okay. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, I will not be drawn by the art. I will not. Okay. Now, this is my profile, and if you will, at the very bottom, you see the little search icon, right? The little thing. Okay. Now, this brings up things that I have searched for, types of things that I have looked at before. So, at the top, you want to search for and see if you put in you're going to find me immediately. And if you put TIR, then I'm going to be first, right? So press on this, go to my profile and follow me, okay? Now, if you would like to post art for me to see, that is really simple. So let me show you how you can go about doing that. If you will look over here where this red 1 is down towards the bottom, that means somebody posted some new art and tagged me. That may happen to be my new art. I don't know. I don't see anything since I was here last, and this is where I see all of the art that you guys tagged me with. This is my feed where all of my art, all 20 bazillion things of my art are. Okay. So when you start your account, you should have a page that looks like this, a profile page. And whatever you decide to make public is up to you. If you decide to have your account be private, then I will have to follow you back in order for me to see what you're sending me. Okay? So if you need me to follow you back, just post a picture and tag me with it, and it should tell me in order to see it I need to follow you, and I'll go ahead and do that. Okay? Don't send me anything weird. Promise. Because that eggs me. Okay. My profile has to be public for obvious reasons, but yours does not. Yours can be private. Okay? So anything you put on your profile can't be seen by anyone else. Okay? You can still tag me with it, and if we are friends or if we follow each other, then I'll be able to see what you post, but no one else would. Does that make sense? Okay, so in order to post art, you want to go down to the bottom, and if you will see the little plus sign right there in the middle of the square, down at the very bottom, you're going to tap on that. Oh, you guys just got a sneak peek. Okay? We'll upload tomorrow's picture or today's picture or whenever I'm going to publish this. We'll find out a picture. Okay? And you're going to hit next. What this does is it gives you the opportunity to, down at the very bottom, pick something from your library, take a picture, which right now is the bottom of my easel, or take a video. Okay? We want to do something from the library because, well... Anyway, so then you hit next. Now, this gives you the opportunity, if you would like, to try out different types of photo whatevers. I don't use these because I feel like it's a cheat, but you can if you would like to use these different types of, like for instance, if your picture came out really light colored and you needed to make it a little bit darker, you could choose one of these that might deepen that. I usually, if I need that, I usually use Photoshop, but that's just me. Okay. And then you hit next. All right. So here you have a picture of new post with a share button on the top. Oh, here we go with directions on the top right corner, and a picture of your whatever you're posting there in the middle. It says write a caption. Okay. At this time, you want to say something about this picture. What is it? What it's about? What do you feel? Whatever you want to say about it. Okay. So I'm going to say this is day 36. I got the last one wrong. 36 of the, and I'm going to hashtag this since it's our hashtag, 100 days of Zentangle. Okay. Project. Thank God for corrective spelling because it knows how I am for 2020. Let's give it an exclamation point and a heart because we like it. All right. And then I'm going to say it's not too late to join. Now you know how bad a typer I am. Too late to join. The link is in my profile. And another exclamation point. And another heart, because I'm just feeling that way today. Now it's time to put in any hashtags you want. We've already got our 100 days of Zentangle. And so when I tell you guys to tag me, it can mean two things, okay? You can tag someone by using hashtag they will be looking for. For example, I look for the hashtag the Tireless Tangler. I am also following the hashtag the 100 Day Project because this project is part of that project. I am following also the hashtag 100. Whoops! Whoa! Hello. 100 Days of Zentangle 2020, and it gets good at guessing what you want. Okay. Now, look at this. When you put in a hashtag and you start to type something like, what should we type? Zentangle. Okay? So I'm starting to type Zentangle, and you're going to see, oh, here is Zentangle down here on this list, right? So that's the one I want. So I don't have to finish typing it. All I have to do is tap on that, and that's added. And that's the same with all of your hashtags. If it can figure out where you're going with it. Let's see, Zentangle. Whoops, I forgot the hashtag, so that will work. The search engine only works if you have a hashtag in front of it. Okay. Let's see, So there's some more here that get tagged frequently. Zentangle's artist, Zentangle art, which I also do. So I'm going to get that one. And what else do we need? And I always want to hashtag the pattern. That way, if the pattern creator is keeping track of their patterns on Instagram, then they can search their pattern name. Whoa. Did I leave a space? They can search their pattern name and find it like that. So it's always nice. Or if other people are wanting to do Ediper, or if they're curious about what it looks like, then they can just type in on search the hashtag Ediper, and they can find other artists with that in there. Okay? So this is where, oh, and I should probably hashtag Damie. See if they have Damie Tang on here. I think I'm going to go with that. All right. So now I'm going to hit OK and read through this. Yep, that looks good. So I have my message, and each time I put in a hashtag, that means that the search engine on Instagram is watching out for that word. Okay? All right. Now, but how do I tag Cindy? How do I let Cindy know that I've posted something? Okay? So right down here underneath new post, it says tag people. Okay? It's going to show you a picture of your video or picture, and you're going to tap on it. Okay? And then you're going to search up here. Now, of course, it finds me immediately because it knows who I am. But you're going to search up here for whomever you would like to have look at this. And what it's going to do is it's going to send this person a message or send this person your post and say, hey, this person tagged you. Okay? So if we're going to search for me, well, let's search for me. Let's search for Cindy. Okay, and there I am. Okay, so you've got me right there, and you tap on me, and anyone else you want to tag, you can do more than one. All right, and when you post this, then that's going to let me know that you posted your art. All right, I'm going to push Bethany for where I live, and I'm going to have this tagged to my Facebook, or I'm going to have this posted to my Facebook account. Okay. Okay, so now I have told it to post this to Facebook also on my Facebook page. And I can also do Twitter, Tumblr, or anything else that I've got that I want to share with. And then it is time to go out there on the step and share it. Okay? And it will pop up there. Make sure you like your own, because you should like your own. And then you can go through and look at all of the other lovely art that comes up on my feed. I don't allow anything but art on my Instagram. So, ooh, I like that. Eric's is blowing it away. He is from Spain. There's our friend Aishwara. She's got a video out. Juma. I haven't seen this one. I don't know where she gets these. Let's see. See, so there's lots of nice things on Instagram. It doesn't have to be a scary, awful, ugly place. You can tailor it so that it only shows you what you want. And I have very strictly kept anything that is not art related from showing up on my feed. And the only things I really allow on my feed that are not art are posts from my family members. And so that way it does not get junked up, and it's a really lovely place for me to just enjoy art, enjoy what my friends are creating, and what you guys are creating. I really like that. So you guys are awesome. That is all for our Instagram tutorial. I hope it has helped you figure out what the heck you're doing on there. And I will see you guys on YouTube tomorrow.